So we are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back live. And this analysis we just made it yesterday. Now we are just yeah. So this is what we did yesterday. The analysis that we did yesterday, but we wanted to see that drop on gold. We just wanted to see gold reacting the way it is reacting now, and that's just a perfect entry there. So one will ask, where will my first TP be? Because it's a 4 hour time frame. The first level that I'm looking at is this level here. That will be your first take profit. That will be our first TP. Then our second TP below this lows here. Then there's the second TP. Second TP, then your third TP. Then your third TP. That will be your third TP. Anyway, let's just observe how it will do. Reason being, I wanted to see gold doing what? Breaking above this high and closing above it, which it did here. But this move back inside is the one that made me to say, you know what, this thing will sell. Looking at the fact that after it attempted another second breakout, it also left this indecision candle or left this rejection candle, which we call a hammer. So a hammer, we saw a hammer. Let me just label that. Then it made this hammer here. It made that hammer. So, and after that hammer, we saw this candlestick going inside the same level that we wanted to what to see it above it, but it failed to keep being above it. Then it dropped again below my point of entry, or the entry point that I wanted to enter at. So hence why when it retraced back, I said no, now we can sell gold. We are looking at these levels. All this is just price, being able to read price. We're just being able to read price, how the market wants to do things or how price wants to react. So yeah, this is what I teach my students. I gave a signal on that cell, and I want to believe they are inside if they haven't went out. So yeah, let's go to a lower time frame and see it clearly on a lower time frame. Look at that. Look at that reaction on an hour time frame. Price broke above, then came inside in, then went again up, taking out this level on an hour time frame, taking out this level. So when it took that level, we saw it again coming down, then making that invented head and shoulder kind of. Here it just made an M pattern. Then there it is dropping, and this retracement back to the area. Now we are doing what? We are going down. We are going down. Price is now selling as we thought. So clearly on an hour time frame, you can see that this level will be my first take profit. It's better and clear this side, and on this level also that will be our second TP. Then that TP will be below this lows, so yeah, there, that's where I'll be taking out my third entry. Simple and easy. You don't need to do anything complicated. You just read what price is doing and you just enter. This is a huge rejection, especially on an hour time frame. It tells you that it's a huge rejection. The buys are failing to keep price above. So it is one of the perfect entries that one has to always understand, or one has to learn to see the movement of price. You get? So in short, this level or that high, it was our external high, that if price would have stayed above it, I would have said no, keep buying gold. But the fact that gold came down from it after breaking it on the upside, it came back down. It came inside of it, and now we are trading below it. So it's a sign that what price did was just to come and collect liquidity above that area. Now it's heading to our levels. These lows, there is too much liquidity below these levels, and I'm expecting to see price coming to this level before we can say we are buying it. I want to see price coming down to those levels. And one thing that I've told my student on Sunday when we had our weekly analysis, I said, if Monday becomes bullish, then I know that Tuesday I'll be selling gold. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And what happened is that on Monday it became bullish, and now it's Tuesday, man. And the sell that I told them about, here it is. It is falling like crazy. It is paying like crazy. So it's just a matter of understanding what price prints, or what the market is saying, what the candlestick are telling you, rather than just buying and selling without understanding the exact market, or what the market is trying to let you know. One thing that you need to understand as a trader, as a beginner, as a new trader, is that candlestick has a way of telling you what price will likely to do. So if you understand how candlestick prints themselves, then you have you'll have a better understanding where price will likely to go. I can see Laruna Matar on Facebook saying Shaya Shaya. You know the drill, my brother. You know the drill. That's how we do it in Hail Empire. All the time. And thank you for tuning in. And I can see Shadrach. Thank you, brother. Thank you for reacting also. Thank you also for being with us on that call. He's one of my students from South Africa, and he's the one who's in a call with me right now, in a meeting. We are analyzing this together. We are sharing ideas. Anyway, so what is it that you think makes a good trader? What makes a good trader is the ability to understand the formation of candlestick. When candlestick forms, what are they telling you? What is it that you are getting out of those candlesticks? Because if you don't understand the formation of candlestick, then you are likely not to understand the movement of price, because candlestick shows you the movement of price. For example, now we see a bearish engulfing candlestick here. This bearish engulfing candlestick, what does it tell you? It tells you that we have more sellers taking control in the market. So more sellers are being aggressive in the market. In short, they are selling gold aggressively, or they are pushing. Oh, sorry about that. They are pushing gold aggressively to what? To go down. So it is the formation of candlestick that gives you a clear understanding of where price will likely to go. So without you understanding what kind of particular candlestick that tells you that the market is likely to turn from here, the market is likely to be bullish from here, the market is likely to be bearish from here, then you'll be a trader who analyzes the market but doesn't know the entry points. If you have the understanding of candlestick, then you sharpen your entry points. You'll sharpen where you're likely to sell your market or buy your market. But without that, you keep on saying, but I saw the direction and it went for my stop loss. Yes, it went for your stop loss. It's because you didn't read the candlestick properly at that particular time before you could say, you know what, I'm buying or I'm selling this thing. So you need to wait for confirmations, wait for the candlestick to confirm your analysis. If it was someone else around here, they could have bought it, but I wanted to see another candlestick pushing up before I could say I'll be buying gold. But the fact that it failed and price went down, I waited, said no, I'm gonna wait for price to tell me or to give me a better way that I can say, you know what, I'm selling or I'm buying. Then it did what? It came again. It came again, broke the same level, my level that I wanted to see it reacting from and selling from. It broke it above around that area for the second time. But when I saw this rejection, I said no, price might not push up. Then another rejection, another candlestick, a hammer formed. Then I said, now I will wait for price to go below this level, then I'll be taking a shot. Then when price went below, I don't give the signal around that level, by the way. I said they should sell it. I think it was around 3. Yeah, it was around, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So there it went. It began to sell. It's nothing but just pure skill, understanding what price is forming, understanding what price is saying. Nothing much, nothing less. You just need to understand. You just need to understand what price is printing. So, yeah. Any questions? Do we have questions from our live stream? Any questions? If you are watching from YouTube, you are watching from TikTok, you are watching from Facebook, just let me know. If you have any question, just let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know so that I can help you. Okay, on TikTok, we don't have questions at the meantime. No questions at the meantime. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Thank you for joining. Kindly share the live stream. Kindly share the. Oh, I can see from. Let me see. Yeah, we are just few pips to our TP. Few pips to our TP. Few pips. Just few pips. Yes, yes. Just few pips to our TP. I'm live, my son. I'm still live.
Daddy.
Few peeps to our first TP. Then from Facebook, any questions that you have? Any questions that you have? I'm just waiting to take. Look at that. 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 Look at that drop. And by the way, this is an hour time frame. It's an hour time frame. Look at that drop. 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 Ah! Look at that drop. 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 So this is what this is the same signal that I gave my students. I told them to sell this thing, man. I told them to sell this thing. Told them to sell this thing. Told them to sell this thing. Come on, come on, come on. Let's sell that thing. Let's sell that thing. Let's drop it. 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 Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's droppy. It's droppy. It's droppy. It's droppy. It's droppy. That's gold for you. 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 So this is one of the aggressive pairs. These are the aggressive pairs that as a trader, if you have catched a move like this, if you have catched a move like this, you know you are bowling. You know. Look at that. Let's go to let me just go to a 15 minutes time frame. Let's see. 15 minutes time frame. Look at that. Pure skill. Come on. This is what we are talking about. These are the kind of Signals I give. Oh, we have few comments on. We have few comments on. Laruna Matlari. He says, dropping like a hot potato. You know the drill, my brother. You know the drill. These are the kind of entries that we look at. These are the kind of entries that we specialize on. Let's drop that thing. 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 Gold, 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 gold. That's gold for you. Yeah, we are still observing it. That's gold for you. Um, just few pips to our TP. Just few pips to our first TP. Few pips to our TP. Few pips. So in an hour time frame, you can see a huge. That's a huge cell there. That's a huge cell there. That's a huge cell. That drop was crazy. Shadrach says that drop was crazy. Man, this drop. I long spoke about it. I long spoke about it. I long spoke about it, and it's dropping like crazy. Dropping like bananas. It's dropping like bananas. For those who said, yeah, buy that gold, buy that gold. Now they are banning. 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 It's heading to their stop loss now. We are heading to their stop loss. We are heading to their stop loss. Those who bought, we are heading to their stop loss.
Isaac,
Yes, sir.
can you check up on your Instagram stream? It ended.
Oh, the Instagram. I haven't been pay attention to it.
Yeah, it ended.
Why did it end?
Go back to OBS quickly.
But here it says it's still inside.
Is it?
Let me see.
You see an error code.
Yeah, there's an error occurred. So let me just retry it again.
And then don't forget to put it on horizontal.
Yeah, it's always on horizontal. Look. Do you see that drop? What did I say later on? I told them to drop that thing. Okay, let me just redo it again. Let's edit.
We just go to listing quickly.
Yeah, no, I'm just editing it from. Yeah, I'm editing it from here. So I just believe it will do it. Then ways.
just have to go back to Instagram. I mean to Instagram.
Oh yeah. No, it's still connecting.
Yeah, so you can actually connect this to everything.
Okay.
And then you have in the live and then restart it again.
On restream.
No, on OBS.
So we need to go offline again.
No, what you can do is you see that toggle there next to edit.
Yeah.
Put it on and off.
Okay, I did.
On again.
Okay, I did.
There we go. Save.
Yeah, let me just put a new one. This thing is crazy. Gold is crazy, man. Gold is crazy. So on TikTok, are we okay?
Yeah, so like
Awesome. Yeah, it was giving us headache. Now it's okay. So okay, I'm waiting for it to connect on Instagram. Let me see YouTube. How are we on YouTube? On YouTube, we're okay.
wait, no, it ended.
On what? On TikTok?
No, TikTok is so live.
Yeah, and Instagram, we are back live. We are live.
Okay, live.
Yeah, we are back.
Now I can see the full screen.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I think maybe it was because it was just on the other side, you know. On YouTube, I can see the skill. Yeah. The skill is massive, man. This is what we do, huh? This is what we do in Hell Empire. This is our daily bread. Gold is our daily bread. We eat gold, we drink gold, we sleep gold. So yeah.
Okay, guys.
Let's hit the market. I just love if you go to a 15 minutes time frame, man. Yeah, that drop was very beautiful. It's a beautiful drop. It's a beautiful drop. Beautiful. Let's see on Facebook. Yeah. I think that's it from me. We did wonders. That's it from me. Let's observe it and see where it's heading to. Let me see 4 hours again for the last time. 4 hours for the last time. Yeah, 4 hours. It's good. We are still good on 4 hours. We are still good. Sniper entry ready to go. Yo, Pro Banda, I see you, sir. I see you. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for those hearts, man. And this is one of the best traders in Botswana that I know, that I personally know. Pro Banda. Nice to see you. Man. Nice to see you. How is everything that side? Shout out to you, man. I was with him in Cape Town Was it last month? Yeah, it was last month. We in Cape Town together. We had a wonderful time. We had a wonderful chat. And I respect you, man. I respect your analysis. I respect your passion for the market. It's nice to see you, man. It's nice to see you. It's been a while since we talked. Eh? It's been a while, and thank you for the reactions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I get on what I send the galaxy. But anyway, it's good to see traders like mentors. He's a mentor, by the way. Mentors like these guys who really support my vision, who really support my ideas as much as I do support his ideas. He says from TikTok. He says, "I'm watching the charts, my guy." Yeah. How is gold? How is gold, man? How is gold? How is gold? Are you trading gold today, or you are somewhere else? I'm here just looking at that drop on gold, and it's massive, man. It's massive, and I gave I gave the signal on that sell, and yeah, the drop is just crazy. The drop is just crazy. As you can see, the drop is just crazy. We are just few pips away from the our TP. Few pips away from our TP. I think maybe, let me see. Yeah, few pips away. So yeah, let's just keep on looking at that gold. Let's just keep on looking at that gold. I want to live this life after it hit my TP. Pro Banda says, "Nice entry, my guy. Looks amazing." Thank you, man. Thank you. Just doing small. We are just doing small. Nothing much. Just a quick one, man. Just a quick one. So what are you trading? Oh, you're not trading today. What are you trading, man? Pro Banda, what are you trading today? Or you're not trading anything? Thank you for joining the live stream. Okay, let me see on who do we have on YouTube? Nice. Few people on YouTube, and let's see Instagram. Let me see how many are we in Instagram. Okay, awesome. Let's keep on. Keep on sharing the live streams. Yeah, anyway, that's gold for you. But I really loved the drop, and for those who just joined in now, this is what we long analyzed yesterday. So, and it has been dropping massively. From the signal that I gave. It has been dropping massively, and Pro Banda says, "I took gold from 41.81 to 42.07, then went out." Oh, you went long from 41.81. Oh, that was a nice entry. That buy, I saw it. It was a very, very nice, massive move to the upside. So it was a good entry, man. It was a good entry. I know your skill. I respect your skill. I know how you do this. And I know the lot size. That you are a man of lot size. So, how much did you make? Or is it a secret? How much did you make, sir? How much did you make? How much did you make? How much did we make? How much did we make from that short long or short buy? Share. In dollars, how much did you make in dollars? $1,000, $10,000, 5,000, 6,000. How much did you make, sir? Are you entering? You are collecting. You are collecting. Nice. How much did you make, my brother? My mentor, how did you buy? How did you make? How much did you make? How much did you make? I'm waiting for that comment because I know you are an aggressive scalper. One of the aggressive scalpers I know. How much did you make, sir? How much did you make? Yeah, I'll be going offline in just a short while because currently gold it doesn't want to hit my TP, so I'll be going. But I think the next candlestick that will form in 10 minutes, it will push it down further. Probanda says, haha, you know you kill KWD, my guy. Do you tell your fans how powerful you are? No, we try, man. We try. we try. I'm just learning. I'm just learning these things, man. You guys are the pros here. I respect you guys. You are the pros. Yo, King Manifesto. Thank you for joining the live stream, man. Thank you for joining the live stream. Or you were just passing by. Are you in or you're just passing by? So no, I'm not killing KWDs, my guy. I'm just a baby, you know. These things I'm just learning. If you're just tuning in now, just press the follow button. If you want this kind of entries, if you want to always see this kind of entries, make sure you follow us on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. We are always live on all of these platforms. When I go live on TikTok, just know that I'm also live on Facebook. I'm also live on Instagram. I'm also live on YouTube. So, oh, Manifesto, yo, what's up, man? I'm good, my man. I'm good. Look at that. Do you see the powerful drop, man? we talked about this sell, and I saw other mentors say, no, we're gonna be buying. I said, no, gold will drop, and this is the massive drop that we looked for. The same signal I gave. It's a massive drop, man. It's a massive drop. Hello, Mr. Nicholas. Thank you for joining the live stream on TikTok. Let me see on Facebook. Yeah, on Facebook, we have few people. And few comments. Let's go. I want it to hit my TP before I log out. Just like we analyzed my brother 100%, you know the drill. This is what we do every day. This is what we do. This is what we do. And the drop is so massive. It's so massive, man. And I'm just waiting for TP1 to be hit, and I'll be done. I'll be done. I will be done. I will be done for the day. I will be done for the day. I will be done for the day. Kana la utola ka. Yeah, let me see who's live, who tuned in. So I'll be going offline now. The rest was done. We did the rest. Let's leave it to gold. The rest we shall leave it to gold and see how it reacts from where it is. It just it's left with this candlestick, the hourly time candlestick or the hour time frame candlestick. It's left with 5 minutes before it closes. Just 5 minutes before it closes. And I believe, or I have a strong belief that the second candlestick that will form, what it will do. Look at that. Look at that. It's heading to our TP before even I can say. Come on. Drop like a potato. Come on. Just few pips to our TP. Few pips to the first TP. I love this. Let me see the 15 minutes time frame. Look at that. Few peeps to our TP. Few peeps to our first TP. That's a huge drop. Yeah, that's a huge one. That's a huge drop. Let's wait and see. 3 minutes left before the hour lit candlestick closes. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Reduce your volume there. 3 minutes left. It's dropping like potatoes. Let's see. Before the candlestick close, the hourly candlestick close, if it will hit our TP. We're just waiting to see if it will hit the TP before it closes. Let's see. It's left with 2 minutes. 2 minutes before that our candlestick, before the candlestick closes. It's just left with 1 minute. Look at that. 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 TP1 about to be hit. TP1 about to be hit. TP1 about to be hit. Just tapped on it. It's just tapped on it. Just tapped on it. Just tapped. Just few pips. That's a huge drop. That's a huge drop. That's a huge drop. That's a huge drop. Wow. Let me see the 4-hour time frame. Wow. Wow. Look at that. On a 4-hour time frame. What do you call that? 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 This is pure skill. Pure skill. Pure skill. Pure skill. That's pure skill. That's pure skill. Pure skill. Yeah. That was pure skill. So in an hour time frame, I want to believe yeah, it's closing and a new candlestick has just formed on an hour time frame. And look at that. Let's see if this one cannot hit the first TP, because this one now we'll be looking at this level. If it comes for to retest, it has to be around this level. So new entries. New entries there. New entries there. Because this level might not stand that much. But let's look at that. Let's see the 15 minutes. That's a nice drop. That's a nice drop on a 15 minutes time frame. That's a nice drop. 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 Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see how that candlestick will behave. How that candlestick will behave. Let's see. But anyway, you can just see. So that's the next level that you can look at before you take your shots again to TP2 and TP1. So I must see a retracement back to 4190. 4190. So a retracement back to 4190. Then we drop it again to 4160. Then from 4160 we are heading to 4110. 4110. Then from 4110 we'll be heading now to 4010. Or even possibly 4000. Then that's where I'll be taking my buy from, or that way I'll be going long from. But in the meantime, I'm expecting gold to keep on dropping. Looking at that analysis, I'm still positive with that drop. So let's just observe and just mark those levels that I just talked about, and make sure that you follow us on all the platforms if you want to see this kind of analysis entries every day. Just follow us on TikTok, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, and we'll be live starting from today till next year. We'll be live giving such entries from London session, New York session, or even Tokyo session. So make sure that you follow us so that you can know when we are live, and you'll be part of the winning team. That being said, I'll be leaving you now. Just keep on observing gold, and that level that I have just marked now, go look at it and make sure that you don't miss that entry. Have a lovely evening. Ciao. Shaya shaya.
Multiple ads also in there.
Yeah, I just did.